Hey everyone, it's Mary here at Rice Toyota in Greensboro, and I thought I would talk to you a little bit about the kind of jobs we have here at Rice Toyota and see which one might appeal to you. So the best thing about working at a car dealership is there's literally something for everyone. So I'll start at the front. Most people are familiar with car sales, right? Well, the car sales model's changed a lot in the past few years. Now the customer really chooses the car they want at home on their computer or their phone, and then they come in and they buy the whole car on an iPad here in our showroom. So there's not that typical car negotiation that it used to be. It's pretty straight up easy process. We can sell a car now in as few as 17 minutes. Our average car deal takes 23 minutes now. So the days of coming to the dealership and spending hours are over, and it really makes a nice experience for the customer as well as the associate. So car sales is really different than something you've probably ever seen, but you should come check out how we do it. It's pretty cool. We also have jobs in the service department. So we have people called service associates who greet you when you come in, and they help you know if you're due for oil changes or due for a tire rotation or whatever you might need, and help make sure your car is safe to drive for you and your family and everything is maintained properly. We have service technicians, and they work on your car. We have photographers like my friend Keith here. Say hi, Keith.
Hi.
Keith is one of our vehicle photographers, so he takes pictures of all the new and used cars and puts them on the internet for us. So we have about 40 service technicians, and they all work inside the garage behind me. And they start off at $14 an hour, and they go through Toyota's training program. And in less than a few years, you can be up to $30 an hour as a service technician. So that's pretty good pay scale. And again, Toyota trains you. So as much as you want to learn and as fast as you want to learn it, your pay goes up accordingly every time you get a new certification. We also have a parts department. So obviously we're so busy in service, we have to store a lot of parts here. So we have a lot of warehouse jobs and parts counterperson jobs where you provide the parts to the technician when they come to the window and need them, or you sell parts to people in general public, like really cool wheels or running boards if they want to fix their car up. Let's see what else. We have sales, service, parts. We have body shop. So at the body shop, we fix cars when they've gotten in collisions. So we have a front office staff there who works with your insurance company and helps you get your car into the shop, get it scheduled, communicates on the repairs with your insurance company, and then lets you know when your car's ready for pickup. And we have technicians in the back who work on the cars and put them back together. People who like putting cars back together are typically artists. They really enjoy the craft of repairing a car and doing it right. So, people who've, done pottery actually love to fix cars and make it clean and make it look like an accident never happened. So that's kind of nice. There's also a lot of Toyota training for that. Kind of taking you around the dealership as we walk so that you can sort of see what the environment's like here. As you can tell, it's pretty calm, it's pretty chill. That's our patio over there, fireplace and grill. We grill out on Fridays and have lunch. It's really fun. And we always have like tacos and trucks and burrito trucks and donut trucks and stuff like that, just to do stuff together and enjoy our time, because we spend a lot of time at work, so we might as well have fun here. We also have, in addition to the body shop, we have a really big accounting team. So accounting is for people who like, schedules and numbers and reconciling things and posting deals. So there's a lot of that kind of work here. People who know DMV, how to process DMV paperwork, and we can teach any of that as well. We have greeters. We have hosts who help people when they come in to find the right department, get them coffee, make sure they're comfortable. We have greeters when you pull in for service who greet you and find your name on the appointment log and get the next available associate to help you. And we also have 2 call centers. So we have a sales call center and a service call center. And the point of those call centers is to help the customer when they call in. If they call in and say, I'm interested in a new car, I'm interested in a used car, when can I make an appointment, or I need to get new tires, they help schedule that appointment for you, either via email or phone, whatever works best for you. So this is the service department. There goes Carl. Hey, Carl.
Hey, good morning.
There's Carl. Carl's one of our best salespeople, been here a really long time. We have shuttle drivers, so you can see everybody getting in the employee shuttle behind me, and there's Dee. Hey, David.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? And that's our wholesale manager, David. So this is our service drive, and in the service drive is where you are greeted for service. And see the service writers working here. So we kind of work under this covered area, and this is where people come in for service. So I thought it'd be kind of cool just for you to get a sort of like quick walking tour of what Rice Toyota is. And the environment's pretty cool. Everybody here loves to work hard. We're obviously busy, so we don't sit around a lot. We stay pretty busy, but it's a lot of fun. It's a good team. The management team here is really solid. Everybody is invested in growing the people around you so that we can continue to do better and better. Here's some of our tire storage. And I'll just walk you around the back really quick, just in case you're curious as to how the shop actually looks, because I think that's pretty cool to see. But there's pretty much whatever your interest is, there's a job for you. All the starting pay is really good. It's all first shift work, so we don't have any middle of the night shifts or anything like that. Everything pretty much starts at 7 a.m. Sales starts a little later. Sales starts at 9 and service closes at 7. So that's what we generally do with hours. So I'm coming to the back, see if I can get in here to show you guys. Yeah, it's open. All right, so here's parts department. There's John. Hello, I'm doing a video, obviously. Parts department there, and shops out here. So this is Quick Lube. That's where I was saying you could start out if you don't have any technician experience, and we can train you, and then you would move up through the shop, and you get a bay with your name on it, like that. And each bay has the technician's name and how long they've worked here and their certifications. So as you grow in our company, not only does your pay increase, but you get a different workstation and you get to work on more interesting things. So when you start off in oil changes, you're really just doing oil changes, tire rotations, fluid levels. But as you move up, you get to work on hybrids, you get to work on engines, and you get to do a lot of fun stuff. So this is our shop, and there's a lot of opportunity here. So the cool thing about Toyota is there's always something to learn. They train you well, and as they train you, they give you points that you can redeem for prizes. So it's kind of a win-win. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you, but I want to kind of give you a walking tour of some of what we do here at Rice Toyota. And if you have any questions, again, I'm happy to help. We'd love to have you join our team. Thanks.